don't use it. And I saw the dripping from the driveway. Follow the drip, follow the drip. They've never had no problem finding it.
What up, YouTube? This is Molo the Barber, the channel Cut Some Mo, and today I've got a very special treat for those of you that go out and you get your hair cut. You have 360 waves. I'm breaking down a step-by-step guide for you how you can talk to your barber, communicate with your barber to get the style that you like. I'm telling you, if you go to a barber shop and the first thing you notice when you walk in is nobody has waves, but you are a waver, you live the lifestyle, it's very hard to sit down and feel confident with a barber that you know does not regularly practice wave care on himself. So if you go into a barber shop and you walk in and you see the dude kept waves and looks like he's happy smiling people in his chair, that's probably where you want to go. So because I did have a client come in with 360 waves, and I'm showing you step by step from the consultation part to knowing exactly what length he wants it cut. Talking to him in the beginning, getting that one guard the way he wants it, going with the grain, not against the grain, tapering at the highest level. Because one thing a lot of people don't understand, hey man, I want a temp fade. Well, if I'm a waver, I want to preserve as much as the wave line as possible. All I want is my hair to look really neat and crisp. I want the taper to be as low as possible. As soon as where the wave starts to break, I want it low. I want beard line, or if I don't have a beard, I want it low. I want as much as my waves to show as possible. You also see where I saved the crown for last, and I showed you my technique for not really wanting to set in the tone with cutting the crown first, but still leaving it higher than everything else. Like I want to come back, the last thing I want to do is I want to take the crown down. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. You'll pick up some tips on how to communicate with your barber if you have 360 waves, because I'm telling you, there's nothing worse than sitting down with somebody who does not know how to cut waves, and you can hear like, oh my god, this dude just went against the fucking grain. Like, so you don't want to do that. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to with a barber in a shop. Hopefully the barber that you do have cutting your hair has an abundance of experience cutting waves, or he has them himself. So stay tuned, enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, bro, subscribe. first. So that's why you're gonna be seeing these tutorials. And who better than to tell you how to get your waves and keep them nice and keep them tight than somebody who not only has waves, but somebody who is a barber. So peace.